Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job notification in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector, as well as PSU jobs. If you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe our channel because you will be beneficiate from our channel with daily job notification as well as career guidance as well as interview tips. So today's job notification has come from Capgemini. It is a pooled campus drive from Capgemini notification. So they are hiring for 2021 batch engineering and MCA can apply for this job. Freshers batch they are hiring. We will discuss in in this in this video with detail. So if you have come first time in our channel, please subscribe. So let's start. So all of us have the idea about Capgemini. So they are hiring freshers for the job role of software engineer, as I have already mentioned. So the batch hiring is 2021. Qualification required is BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA. Okay. So any of these streams can apply. Their experience required is freshers. Salary is 3.8 LPA. Job location it's across India. Last date to apply 14th April 2021. Test location is virtual. So last date is 14th April. Please remember. Test date is 7th May 2021. So for this pooled campus drive, what is the eligibility criteria? Now I will discuss. So you should graduating in 2021. You must have secure 60% marks in 10th, 12th or diploma or graduation, aggregate of 7 semesters and MCA for MCA, aggregate of 5 semesters. Qualification required MCA, BE, BTech open for only circuit branches like information technology, information science, computer engineering, electrical, electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication and electronics and instrumentation, all those can eligible. ME MTech students must be from mentioned specialization only like information technology, information science or computer science, must possess excellent English written spoken communication skills, must be open to relocate to any Capgemini location, work across technology domain and role, should be ready to work in shifts if required. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for the assessment or selection process. Selection process will be done in virtual mode. Candidates will be responsible for arranging the required infrastructure for appearing for the selection process, which will be conducted online. Okay. So for this pool drive, what will be the steps you have to follow or you will be go through? Like first will be technical assessment pseudocode round, second will be multiple choice questions based English communication test, then game based aptitude test, then behavioral competency profiling, then technical and HR interview. Okay, so all these 5 steps you need to go through. So they like to reiterate that technical communication and game based aptitude test are elimination rounds, while behavior profiling module is for understanding the innate profile for the candidate and it is not a filtration step. Okay, post registration in the tool you need to apply for the job profile to participate in the event. So please apply before the link expire. As I have mentioned, the last date is 14th April. So if you're interested, you can click on apply link. So I will give this link in my description box. So you have to select or allow the cookies. You can see it is the career website of Capgemini. You can go through again the notification. Last date is 14th April 2021. So here you can again go through the notification. Drive date is 7th May. You can once again go through the notification, their steps of hiring or the steps you have to follow. So then you click on register now. Then the registration form will be open to you. So if you faced any challenge or if you have any doubt, you can directly comment in my comment section. I will try to solve your doubts. And you have to click on start registration. Then you have to give your personal details like first name, last name, primary email address, phone number, date of birth, gender, password. Then after giving these details, there are total 6 steps. Okay, so what are those? Initially you have to upload give your name, phone number, all details. Then in the third step you have to give your educational details. In fourth step you have to give your certification if you have done, or any project experience in your final semester, those you can fill here. And if you have done any certification, you can also mention here your proficiency. So all these things you have to fill in these following steps. So if you find any challenge, then please share your doubt in my comment section. So after doing the registration, if you are really eligible, then they will shortlisted you and they will share the admit details to you, so that you can give the exam. As they have mentioned, the first step will be pseudocode round, then game based aptitude test, and also multiple choice English questions. So you can follow one of my interview tips related video about this Capgemini drives from my channel. I will give this link in my I button so that it is easier for you. So if you have any doubt, don't forget to share your doubt in my comment section, and please hit the subscribe button because it gives us motivation. And if you really like this video, hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet in next video with new job updates. Take care.